Ready to take your blending experience to a whole new level? Look no further than the Electrolux High Performance Blender, an epitome of precision, power, and convenience. Let's delve into why this blender stands out and why it's the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. Experience the art of blending like never before, thanks to the 6 high-precision blades that effortlessly enhance food circulation in your favorite blends. Say goodbye to lumps and uneven textures as this blender creates smooth and consistent blends every single time. Powerful and reliable, the Electrolux High Performance Blender boasts a robust 900-watt motor. With this level of power at your fingertips, achieving your desired texture is a breeze. Watch as the blades spring into action, efficiently crushing, grinding, and blending all your ingredients to perfection. No more limitations when it comes to blending. This blender is equipped with a heat-resistant glass jar crafted from borosilicate glass, a material known for its durability and ability to withstand extreme temperature changes up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're creating refreshing cold drinks or hearty hot soups, this blender has you covered. Embrace convenience and sustainability with the Electrolux High Performance Blender's 2-in-1 takeaway bottle. Blend an individual portion of fruits and vegetables directly inside the bottle, allowing you to enjoy your juices and smoothies on the go without unnecessary waste. It's a win-win for your taste buds and the environment. Precision is key, and this blender offers just that with its touch button control panel. Enjoy variable speeds and a pulse function that provide you with consistent results every time. Experiment with different blends and textures, knowing you have complete control over the blending process.